stole it. Running on the daddy bitch too fast, I can't control it.
I'm finna move the 392 in the garage. Police been coming by asking about the cars because there's been a lot of stolen cars lately in the neighborhood. People been stealing cars. So I gotta move the 392 in the garage. Give y'all a little update on the 392. I'm gonna drop it off next week to get the door damage right here on the passenger side. Just this right here. Finna get this gone. You see it got a little dent right here too. So next week, I'm dropping it off to get the door damage. Off the side, after that, is the front bumper. And then we done with all the frame and physical damage from the outside. Get new logos and shit like that. Get them logos removed. New fog lights. Just an update. I'm finna move it into the garage now. I ain't started it up in so long. It's probably gonna be so loud. I wanna give y'all a little cold start. To garage. Police been knocking on doors, asking if it's a stolen car. People in the neighborhood are stealing cars and shit, so I gotta move it in the garage. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be my baby right here. I gotta get this motherfucker right. Somebody stole my tag. I had a test drive tag on it. Somebody stole it. I gotta get them logos removed. It's just this door damage over here. Next, this right here. I got a little dents, some scrapes. That's gonna be cheap to fix. That ain't nothing. And then it's the bumper. A little side damage right here. Next, after that, yeah, we good. The motherfucker hard though, y'all. All them bullet holes gone. I'll just give y'all a little update since everybody's been asking about it. I've been working on my cat, so this is a little update on the 392. DE305, going to Widebody. Brand new. Big ass tires.
Damn, Joey.
Load them up.
What you think you is?
Yeah, always. Yo, ballin' like Trey on zeros and they. I was lost for a minute till I found a way. I ain't talking about food, let's go on a steak. Gotta spectate the game, that's to watch how it play out. Niggas be hoes, I ain't feeling that shit. If she wanna fuck, she keep feeling the dick. I keep it 100 on real as it get. I just wanna fuck, I ain't loving the bitch. She wanna be high key, low key. It do not matter, I'm fucking for sure. I'm geeking but sippin' on protein. I know that you smell it, it reek out my pores. Got a knife on the end of the K-rail to shoot my gun before I pull out a sword. Ain't been to church, got on Christian Dior. Baby, stay down and this shit can be yours. Baby, stay down, get whatever you want. Really having, I can do what he don't. He moving funny, I don't know what he on. I won't turn my back on you, this not be long. Got it out the mud, I did this shit on my own. Ain't got nothing for him, so don't call my phone. Brand new paddock type of time on. I did bad shit, I'm tryna.
That is hard.
What? You can say what? All the way around. What?
Damn.
You gotta get SRT.
That be hard. That be hard.
You gotta get the bottom piece. Order it right out vice versa.
Hell yeah.
So it'll be the right one for it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You seen the side markers too?
Hell yeah.
That's all we was missing.
That shit hard.
Bring it up by the shop tomorrow and wash it up for you too.
Alright. That motherfucker hard.
It's a whole different car, though.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. You can have the key.
Alright. Yeah, that shit hard. That shit hard.
So fucking hard.
TB look hard. Until I get this bit, I gotta get it washed.
What?
Why?
The rails look fine.
Yeah.
And then you just gotta repaint it so they look even better.
New rims. That shit tough.
They shut off or something? Must be low on gas.
Yeah, it's probably low on gas. Yeah, that shit hard.
Time burning.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. I'm going on bullshit.
Try that one. Well, you already trying to burn out this one when you left.
Hell nah.
Rocks on the tires over there.
I don't driving, it's like some shit like I don't know what it was.
Turn it off.
Some shit straight.
That motherfucker hard. Huh? You hear it? You feel me? Like every time it's going up and down, that shit hitting me. Got that boy Rico on top.
You know what I'm saying? All that on talk shit, man, you know what I'm saying? Tweet some shit, you know what I'm saying? Jack.
Yeah. Yeah, forever diamond, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. That's what it is. Yeah, it's that for sure.
Yeah, it's the front for sure though.
I just heard that side.
Yeah, look, it's like look, no space right there. At all. See the scraper right there?
Oh yeah, that shit burning.
Yeah, look, it's like look, no space right there. At all. See the scraper right there?
Oh yeah, that shit burning. This side over here burns.
Scrubbing the goddamn shit. The bracket is just car. Where is it? Scrubbing the bracket. Same shit that the dude with the yellow one did.
Okay, look, right here, this the bracket, right? It's chewing it up already.
That's all.
Alright, bro. The best solution, put coilovers on it and raise it up with the air. You gotta get coilovers and jack it up just in here.
I think I know. I've seen some
There's
guys do
nothing to
that.
cut. There's nothing that with these tires. These are made for a wide body, like the real wide body.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You see the where's right here. I'll put my finger. Like, you see right here.
Yeah.
So the only way we need to lift your front end like a hair. The back's fine.
Yeah.
So I mean, we don't need lowering springs. Lowering springs are cheap. You know what I mean? You can put $600 all the way around for springs. Look up coilovers for this car. You need coilovers. That's the best solution. That's the right way to do it.
Yeah.
With these wheels, because you don't want to go buy another set of wheels. We just get 2 coilovers from the front, jack up the front. We don't even need 4 coilovers. We just need them for the front. So it's up to you. I mean, if you don't want to drive it, you want to pull it back in there, lock it up, and then bring the coilovers in the morning, slap them on. That's up to you.
So like, how would you know which one to
Because
get?
you don't want to damn wait on the
How would you know which one to get?
You wait one is, but you gotta get the one for that car. Just go up there in the morning, or just call their 800 number and tell them you want to pick it up from before you go out there.
been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the blitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in the inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in the second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it whipping. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the heaven.